This video will show you step by step how to start from scratch using the Uchi app and join an Uchi tribe. If you've been invited to an Uchi tribe, you've probably received an email that looks something like this. You'll note in the email who has invited you to the tribe and what the tribe topic of conversation is. In this case, it's Thanksgiving, a matter of perspective. There's also instructions how to download the Uchi app and register and then join the tribe. But we're going to do the video here. These icons for the App Store and Google Play will directly link you to the store where you can download the Uchi app. Once you do, you can then register clicking the sign up button. We're actually going to create a new account right now. Okay, so all you need to create an account is a first and last name, an email address, and then a password. Uchi is a very private app, so it's important to read through the privacy policy and understand how the cookies work and the terms of use. Then you can simply sign up. You'll receive an email verification to your email address that you just used. So we'll bounce back there. It could end up in your promotions tab for Gmail, or it could also end up in your spam folder. We're still working on that, so please be patient. Then all you need to do is click the link and you're all set. Then you can bounce back to the app and click the check account status. If everything's good, then you're all set and you'll be logged straight in. Okay, now let's join the Uchi tribe. You can see on this home screen that you can click the view to see which tribe you've been invited to, or down in the footer at the bottom, you'll see a 1 next to the friends icon. So let's just click that. Here you're taken to your Uchi, which is your friends group, and we're going to click on the Uchi Tribe tab. Here we can see that you've been invited to Thanksgiving, a matter of perspective, and this will show all of your different conversations that you've been invited to, all the different Uchi tribes. So from here you simply click the thumbs up to accept the invitation, and now you're all set. So then all you need to do is, well, you can first look and see what members are in the tribe, and then you can go directly to opening that tribe's contents. So from here on the topic page, you can see all the different questions in this topic of conversation, which is usually set to 10. And we can see that Kevin and Jane have already answered the first question, but they're outlined in green, which means you have not read their answer yet. And that's one of the key aspects and rules of Uchi, is that you can only read someone's answer if you've already answered that question. So let's go ahead and answer the question to unlock Kevin and Jane's answers. So what do you think it was like for the first settlers to leave their home in Europe and migrate across the Atlantic Ocean, knowing they would likely never return? I'm going to put a simple answer. I bet it was really scary. And you can write as much or as little as you want, and then simply save that answer. Once you do, then everyone else who's already answered, you can see their answers now. And there's always an opportunity to comment on someone's answers. And that's when you can really have a conversation and go back and forth. So I'll put a simple answer. I totally agree, Jane. And now anyone who has access to Jane's answer can also see the comments that are below. So you can back out of this. And now everything's turned purple, which means you've read all those answers. And then to go to the next question, you can click on the question 2 link or just simply swipe left to go to the next question or swipe right to go back. Okay? Or hit the back button, of course. So one last thing we'll show you is when you go to the uchiTribe icon in the lower right corner of the footer, here's where you can see all of the different tribes that you belong to. Here you can click on each question individually with the question dots from 1 to 10, and you can see that there are 3 answers already, and they've been read, and 1 comment. And that's really all there is to it. Once you're done, you can just back out and go back to the main Uchi topics. We call this the Topic Explorer, and you can just scroll through the topics and pick the ones where you want to answer questions. I hope this has been helpful, and let us know in the comments below if you have any other questions. Thanks.